get some XOXO to some ice for Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Welcome to a day in the life of an entrepreneur vlog. Today I am doing a vending event. My cousin is a licensed therapist and she is doing a self-love event. So I am going out there today with my product. I have my business cards. I said it like that because I wasn't sure that I had them on me, but I have my business cards to pass out. They are getting a special code for attending today, and my battery's dying. So I don't know how much of this will actually be recorded on my camera, because I don't think I have an extra battery, and to be honest, it's too hot to go back up the stairs. So a lot of my vlog might be from my phone, but we're gonna get it done. So I will talk to y'all more when we get there. What's up, guys? So this is a continuation of day in the life of an entrepreneur. So today is a cleaning day. I did work today. I meant to record, but I had a wax client, so I didn't really feel like setting up the camera after for the last portion. But yeah, let's get started.
So XOXO, so ice